Let's talk about the cases now. For the first time, Illinois reported more than 20,000 people were tested for the virus in just a single day.
Experts have said that widespread testing is key to not only understanding the state of the outbreak, but also how the state can begin to reopen. WGN's Eric Rung is live with more. Eric?
Well, good afternoon. The state's testing number was 22,000. That is a record for the state. But along with that number, we also, of course, daily hear the sad number of how many people have died. And over the past 4 days, that number has been more than 100. Now, the state's top doctor says that we should not get caught up in looking at the numbers day to day.
Looking day to day or even looking at several days is a little bit harder. I think when you stand back and maybe take a week at a time, we can get bigger trends and get a more balanced view. And I think overall, I think we're going in the right direction. I think definitely this week we have had less deaths than last week.
Now, the increase in testing, which is now at about 400,000, will help get the state or help give the state a good handle on where the virus is going and who's getting infected. Right now, the state has a positivity rate in the last few days of about 14%. The governor today boasting about the state's testing ability with more than 220 testing sites across the state, the most being here in Cook County and in the city of Chicago. The governor is saying we rank 5th in the country as a state when it comes to testing, and we rank 2nd among the 10 most populous states.
The progress we've made on testing over the last 2 months, building a statewide testing program from scratch to around 15 to 20,000 tests per day, is tremendous. Even if we're one of the best states in the nation on testing, we know it's not enough to be where we need to be on a longer time frame.
Now, the governor was also once again talking about the economy and his plan to reopen the state. He says he's been hearing a lot of plans from different lawmakers. Of course, Mayor Lightfoot laid out her plans to reopen the city of Chicago today. Says he's also been hearing from a number of leaders in smaller cities and counties. Then they have a plan. He said he knew this was going to happen, but he says that's what happens when you don't have any leadership from the federal government. We're live. I'm Eric Rung, WGN News.
Okay, Eric.